Hello guys, what's up? It's Overwatch, the best gamer here, and today it's Friday and it's thundering outside. My power just went out, so yeah. Now we're gonna go look outside, y'all. So yeah. Now we're up. Okay. Now right now I just saw a lightning strike and it's thundering. Now I'm gonna take y'all outside. We're gonna go downstairs, y'all. We're gonna go downstairs. And now it's raining out here. It's crazy. Now I'm going to my backyard. Here's Toby. Get my hoverboards. Where's Bella? Well, this is my kitchen. Now, if we don't look outside. But if we look outside, it is raining out here. And I think I saw a thunder strike over there. So if y'all looked out, if y'all live at my school, don't go outside when you see a lightning strike. Don't. You might get paralyzed. Or if you go outside, y'all, don't go out there. You get paralyzed. But it's crazy. I saw a lightning strike over there. I think y'all didn't see it, but yeah. But y'all, it's crazy over here. Like, I was at school and I was my 8th period in science. Hard rain just poured down, like, real hard. Yeah. So I'm gonna upload a video tomorrow because I have my nephew's baseball tournament tomorrow. So I would like let's see, I'll upload it like around 10 a.m. I think. Not sure. Depends if the game's over. But y'all love this video. So y'all, this is crazy. It's like thundering all the way up here. I have a flood warning. Ooh, that light strike over there. So yeah, my dog's waiting for it. It's crazy out here, y'all. Now the light strike's gonna be over there, maybe to my left. But y'all, this is crazy. My iPad's getting wet. The clouds are moving that way. So the storm is coming this way to us. And y'all don't stand on metal, cause it can electrocute the metal under you, maybe. Or don't stand by a metal pole or hold on, cause it could lightning strike you. But yeah, it's crazy out here, y'all. The bad Friday this day, but my pants are wet. So it's oh, that lightning strike over there. Now we're gonna go to my front porch, y'all. We'll close the door. Let's go to the front porch here. Let's go in. Yeah, front porch. Just my Bella girl hat. Come here, Bella. Come here. There, y'all can't see her, but. Come here, Bella. Come on. Want a treat? You want a treat? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at that, man. But my power went out. I was in the bathroom. My power went out. But look out there. Look at it. It's just crazy out here, y'all. Now my light strike might be behind in my backyard or in my front yard. I'm not sure. I'm not the weatherman. But I might make a web channel, a website. I might make a website of a channel. Me and my dad will make a weather channel, our own. Yeah, but it's crazy, y'all. Now let's go back up. Let's go back into my backyard. Actually, how's that going? So y'all, it's crazy out here. Get back. What you doing? It's crazy here, y'all. But yeah, y'all. See y'all. Peace. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna upload the video tomorrow, maybe. Not sure, but see ya.